Hello everyone. This is Sam, from HostKnock. Today, I am going to show you how to fix the 502 bad gateway error step by step. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Assuming that you have the Google Chrome browser open, go to Settings, type Cookies in the search box at the top of the page and then click on the Cookies and Site Data option. Then, click on the See All the Data and Permissions. You will be taken to the next screen where you can see the list of sites and the data they use. On the top right corner, you will see a button labeled Clear All Data. When you press that button, you will see a prompt telling you how much data will be cleared, and it will clear all your offline data as well. Hit the Clear Data button to clear all the data. Next, go to the control panel and select Network and Sharing Center. On the top left corner, you will see an option to change adapter settings. Choose the internet connection you are connected to from the menu. Right-click on the network you are connected to and select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IP, from the list and click the Properties button. A new window will open, and you will see a radio button labeled Use the following DNS server addresses. Click on it and enter the preferred DNS address, 8888, and alternative DNS address, 8844, and click the OK button at the bottom. Next, go to the Start menu and enter Run. This will open a small dialog box. Enter %temp%. This will open a new window with all the temporary files and folders. Select and delete all the temporary files and folders. Best of luck. I hope this guide has helped you in fixing 502 bad gateway errors. If you still have a question or query, feel free to ask and share in the comments section below.